Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel Structural Solutions BD. Today I have come here with another brand new video. Today I will show you how to licensing and configuration Staadpro Advanced 2024. In my previous video I already shown you how to set up the updated version of Staadpro. So let's get started. When you will open the Staadpro, then you will find this type of window in front of you. Here there are many options. Among them, your first task is to confirm the license. Here you have to tick mark on license. If you click on license, then a pop-up window will open. Here we can get product type Staadpro and Staadpro Advanced. When you install the software, then automatically these two product will be automatically licensed. Here you will tick mark or you will fill the circle Staadpro Advanced definitely, because in Staadpro Advanced there are some additional facilities than Staadpro. So we will definitely use that. There are some other primary licenses. Primary license Staadpro and Staadpro Advanced. This is for all. Then there are some additional license. Here we can see structural select entitlements, RAM connection, nuclear design codes. These three items, if you give tick mark, then this circle will be green color. Before giving tick mark and before accepting, these three circle will be like that. That means these three circle will, in previously it was black. As I have already performed the options, that is why these three are showing as green color. So after giving accept, your interface will be like that. So I am exiting from that. The next steps is to configure. If you click on the configure, then you will get another pop-up window. So let's see what comes in the pop-up window. It takes some time. Okay, here there are some options. Among them, first options is general. Here you have to set up the unit. Firstly, you may change the language. Here there are three languages: English, Japanese and Chinese. Here definitely we will use English language. Here is the base unit. Base unit means when you start a model, then the default unit will be as per your tick mark. So for steel structure, normally we use metric unit because steel structure is very sensitive. It's depend on millimeter. So that is why we will use metric unit. Global axis. There are three axes we know: X, Y and Z. Here Y direction will be up if we click on this option. If we fill this circle, then Z direction will be up. Z direction up means that will behave like E-types, but normally and globally everyone use Y direction up, so we will keep it fixed. There are some other options like diagram background. Here there is black and white. You may use anything. There are theme also. There are something like blue, green, purple, red and dark gray. You may change anything. Our second part is options. In options, you will get some contents among them. Among them, you no need to change. Automatically, these will save. Here there is an option save auto recover information every 1 minutes. That means if you do not save the model during preparing a building, during preparing a model, it will automatically save after 1 minute. You may change this time. So no need to change, 1 minute is better. Then the next option file format. Here this will be as default. Next option is design codes. Here design codes, there are many design codes. You may use as per your code. This code will be default code when you do a model. After that, concrete code you also have to set, aluminum code you have to set, timber code you have to set. As per BNBC 2020, we have used AIC 36005 and SCI 31808. Next stage is standard profile. This should not be do any work here. Legacy profile. This portion also as default. Lastly, there is a workflow. You have to tick mark on the every box. Now here if you give OK, then the interface will be changed as per your configurations. Now our configurations is complete. Now if you want to do a model, we will go to new. Here you have to give some model information like that, file name, location where you want to save, the type, mainly analytical model we will use here. Units, already we have selected metric, that is why default unit is metric shown here. If there is any title you may write. Okay, next is job information. Here you can give the job name, client name, job number, revision number, if there is any part, if there is any reference, the engineer who have preparing the model, checker who will check the model, and finally who will approver. You can also input the date also. If there is any comments you can write here. Finally, if you click on create and yes for next steps, then we can enter into the model interface. There are some other basic options which you have to set up first. Firstly, if we go to view option, here we will get display options. In display option you may change some things. These are like structure units. These units should be all should be meter, kilonewton meter or kilometer millimeter, that means metric unit, and displacement should be in millimeter unit. Here is the precision, that means after decimal how much number you want to show. In this displacement we done it 0, we have done it 0. Then here is the section unit, this also here meter unit, force unit also kilonewton meter, that means every unit should be metric unit. Okay, you can, after completing your setup, you will give apply and okay, finally your setup will be finished. Then there is another options, you may keep some shortcut in the top of the ribbon. Here if you click on customize quick access toolbar, then you can add more comments. Here you can add any type of command. Here all the commands are showing, all the commands mean full structure top to bottom, all commands are here. You may take any command in the right button, it will go to last, and you may shift anywhere you want to keep that. If you click on OK, then it will add here. So already I have added as per requirement. So this portion I am cancelling. Okay, then firstly our setup and licensing has been completed. Today is up to this. I will show you another topics with in my another video. Up to this, you stay well. Bye bye.